Guys, welcome to my channel. So first you have to come on this www.gigabyte.com. So guys, you can see here right hand side search button, and after that you enter your model number of your motherboard, then hit enter. Then guys, you can see here, so click on product, then click again on. So guys, this is your motherboard. Okay, and then click on support. So guys, then select your operating system which is you using. Suppose if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this video and then you can install in Windows 10 drivers, because installations process almost 100% same. Okay, similar. So Windows 11, and then you can chipset driver, you can see, just click to download here. It will start automatically. So it is done, and just saying a quick comment. And uh, then double click, then click to yes. Now this is now this is installing, you can see, yes, it is done, and close the LAN driver, extract. Okay, so try to install latest version and first one, then click downloaded file to open. This is LAN driver and exe file. Click to yes. Now this is extract. Then close it.